This video clip, we have a Volkswagen here with a misfire, and we suspect one of the coils is gone here. So we're going to change one of these coils, and we'll screw it to 4, and have this cover here, screw here, and the bolt here. That's the clip here. This neck there, and one here, and one here. We'll put this cover here, and we'll check the coil pack, coils to see which one's gone, and we'll test the one then I think it's gone. And the way you check it out the 4 plugs and check the colour of the plugs, and you'll see which one of the colour and the plugs, which one's misfire. So that's our next operation. We'll pull out the coil pack and the 4 plugs. That's our next step. So if you have misfire on the VW, it's usually one of the coils is gone. So that's our next operation. Now we're going to move number 3 here. And number 1. So we'll put these 3 plugs now, and one will be different colours to the rest, so we'll suspect that that's the one that's gone. That's our next operation. Yeah, the plug is lagging now, so I'll just reach down here with a pair of tweezers. See which one I think is misfiring on. And we think it's this one here. Number 4. Yeah. Yeah, number 4, just a different colour there to the rest of them. See the difference there. So we'll change the coil pack in this number 4. So we'll put a new one in number 4. We'll give her a wee go at it. And I'll see it was the one that's missing on. So just a slight misfire now and again. So this will do the plug here. Just in the wee tab there, and it'll pull out. That's our next step. Now you plug it to the box, you coil to the box here, and you have to put her back into the plug here. Upside down there. That just snaps back into the clip here. Push it all the way home. She snaps in. There's a little click here. And we'll push it all the way home in. And pressure weld in with your thumb. She snaps into her place, so as to make sure the plug's in properly. Got the coils in properly. So this coil's in her place now. And we've checked the plugs and all, and we've cleaned the plugs and checked the setting, and that should be a misfire problem sorted, and we'll give her a wee test drive. That's our next operation. So if you have misfire on your VW, it's more likely to be one of the coils going. You can just change them handy enough. If you buy one and try it in each cylinder until you get rid of the misfire, that tells you which one's going. There's another indicator, one of the plugs will be slightly blacker than the rest. So that's the way of doing it, getting the misfire if you haven't got a computer or code reader. And that's that operation.